what is it? I think week 10. This is day 19 for CIS-125. We reviewed arrays first, then we looked at modularization and functions, then finished. So we talked about subscripted variables. So we have all these items, whatever they may be, in an array, and we give the array one name. Then we can access specific items in the array using a subscript. Like this item can be accessed this method, and this name would be the same as that name. So we call them subscripted. They can be two-dimensional. You have one name and have items located in the array. You could access them using some location. It might vary with programming languages. These even could be three-dimensional. What we work with in Python are lists and then tuples and dictionaries. And the students did a little review on those three. So arrays and subscripted variables. So we talked about like a dictionary, a term, and the different things that can be accessed with that term. Alright. Now we gave an example. You could have an array with, a multi-dimensional array where this is the name, the hours, and the rate of pay or something. Then we move to functions. You can define a function, and then you can call that function. You can reference that function. For example, we imported math, and then there are a variety of functions we could call from that. We would go math dot some function. You can take your functions, or you can take any code and you can put it in a module. Okay, so modules must be named with a .py, and then they're called with no dot. And so, good morning. So you could import that module and then use the functions that are in the module. We did an example in class. Low, high, and then some number. The low of a range, the high of a range, and it is this number in that range. That is in the results of that, or in the group 10 directory, so you can go look at those. But it's two pieces. Okay, it's where the function is, and then it has a program that calls it. Alright. So you can have a main program that calls various functions. In the old world, they would say you have a main line, and the main line would call subroutines. It's good in a lot of ways. The routines can be developed by teams. You have different groups do different routines. It organizes the flow of your main program. If a routine's not needed, it doesn't have to be in memory. So the memory can hold your main program and then just call the parts it needs. There's a lot of advantages. Alright, so we'll be working on from here. Students now can work on assignments all the way up through 12. And we'd like to get those done by Thanksgiving. And the students really should be working 7 through 10. Should be finishing those up soon so they can work on 12, 11, and 12 are together. Alright, that's it.